Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the humble hydrogen peroxide sitting in your medicine cabinet could be your secret weapon for cleaning, health, and more? In this video, I'm going to share 11 surprising benefits of hydrogen peroxide that you've probably never heard of. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 11. It just might blow your mind. First up, hydrogen peroxide can be a game changer for your oral hygiene. Mix it with water for an effective mouthwash that kills bacteria and whitens teeth. Next, it's a powerful surface sanitizer. A 3% solution can disinfect kitchen counters, cutting boards, and bathroom surfaces without harsh chemicals. Hydrogen peroxide can help with houseplants too. Dilute it with water and use it to water your plants once a week. Add a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your laundry to brighten clothes and remove stains. It's like bleach, but without the harshness. Speaking of skin, did you know hydrogen peroxide can help with acne? Dab it on pimples to dry them out and reduce inflammation. Hydrogen peroxide is also a fantastic deodorizer. Whether it's pet odors, mildew, or even smelly shoes, a little spritz can neutralize the smell in no time. And there you have it. 11 amazing benefits of hydrogen peroxide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. See you in the next video.